Startup News. I am your host Aishwarya. Top headlines for today are Rupees 499 crore support announced by Defence Ministry for startups and MSMEs. COVID-19 vaccination slots can now be booked on Paytm. ADQ in talks with Flipkart to invest $500 million. Before I proceed with today's news, I request our viewers to take necessary precautions as the battle against COVID-19 is not over yet. Always wear a mask, wash your hands frequently, step out if needed and maintain social distancing. Remember, this is the time we fight the virus together. News for today are: in order to financially support startups and MSMEs, individual innovations and partner incubations, the Defence Ministry has announced a support of Rs 499 crores in the defence sector. Apart from finding available slots, users can now book COVID-19 vaccination slots on the Paytm app. The slots can be booked for both Covaxin and Covishield in the nearest centres. Abu Dhabi Sovereign Fund ADQ is in talks with e-commerce giant Flipkart in order to invest $500 million in the company as it raises funds ahead of its potential initial public offering next year. Indian Space Research Organisation has launched 3 new online courses for students and working professionals. The courses are offered by the Indian Institute of Remote Sensing. After completion, the participants will get a certificate. India is going to get its very first subscription-based airline by Prince Air. Customers will be able to fly multiple times for a monthly subscription. Prince Air's founder Sanket Raj Singh said that customers will be able to enjoy a privileged experience. Community monetization platform Conversite has raised $9 million as a part of its Series A funding round led by Qualgrow. Other participants included Unilever Ventures, former McKinsey executive Ajay Gupta, existing investors Ivy Cap Ventures and Sequoia Capital India's Surge. AI platform Simply Contract has raised $1.8 million in a seed funding round led by Kalari Capital. Other participants were Picus Capital, Arca Ventures and Digital Sparrow Capital. Roposo owner and content discovery platform Glance has acquired full-stack e-commerce platform Shop 101. Glance and Roposo will get access to e-commerce technology platforms, comprehensive supply chain infrastructure and talent base. The financial details of the deal were undisclosed. B2B marketplace and retail platform Jumbotail has raised Rs 35 crore from Altiria Capital. The fund has been raised in order to expand operations and scale fintech business. Online classifieds company InfoEdge has acquired end-to-end and recruitment automation software Zwayam Digital. The deal has been finalized in acquiring 100% share capital of Zwayam Digital by InfoEdge at a value of Rs 61 crores. That's all for today. We have over 400 startups and MSME shows on our TV channel. Do check out. My Startup TV is now available on Google Play Store, so you can get all the latest news on startups and MSMEs on the move. You can also support us by subscribing to our TV channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. You can follow us on Koo, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn or visit our website www.mystartuptv.in. Thanks for watching.